down below, tears of the blinded, just about the speed of a heartbeat. Oh yeah, this is where you'll find me, just before the house of the stoic, in between what is real and where the poet lives. The street where I ran as a young boy, the place where I learned how thick my blood was. And this is where you'll find me, and this is where you'll find me. Where you'll find me, and this is where you'll find me, where you. Surrounded by beats and the energy, the center of the words and the melody, rise forever on the sunset, where the questions and the brave of the heart live. In between what I'm told and what I know, a mixture of some cold with the healthy soul. You never run, just follow up and see it through it. But you got to know when to cut the love loose. This is where you'll find me, and this is where you'll find me. Where you'll find me, and this is where you'll find me, where you. Where you find me, this is where you'll find me, where you'll find me, where you find me.
These guys are awesome.
Find me, where you.